Hey folks, welcome back to my shorts again. Brought to you by 2010 Ford Escape. We got a few things to do on this. We got to fix the exhaust flange here. It's got a little bit of an exhaust leak. So we're going to have to separate that and fix the gasket on it. Also, we're going to have to throw a couple ball joints in it because they got play in them. But yeah, gone through. We put struts in it already. So those are all good. So we need more subscribers and more people to watch my channel. So I appreciate it if you guys go down and leave a comment and tell me how you like my videos. And please like, share, and subscribe. Need more subscribers. I would really, really appreciate it to move the channel on. So hope you guys have a good Friday.